This video today is about patience. Patience being uncomfortable. And I'll take this as an example. After dropping my first video on YouTube, I felt like I should be rushing to make my next one. And people kept asking me, when's the next video gonna drop? As if I had a whole season of videos, baked and ready to be served to the public. But I gotta remind myself that I'm kind of at a crossroads right now in my life and career. And, it took me years contemplating, years building up my courage to turn the camera around because I was always behind the camera. For some reason now I feel that sense of urgency to write, shoot, and edit my videos or my next video to, feed this new beast that I've created. So this is why I'm filming this video right now that you're watching, because I want to buy myself a little bit more time in between those bigger, more complicated cornerstone videos that I want to create for this channel. I'm also in the middle of a big home renovation at the moment, and I still need to pay my bills, run my business. YouTube is not paying me anything right now, so it's not monetized, so I need to, kind of put it on the middle burner at the moment. And I don't want to rush making those videos. I don't want to feel pressured at all. And that's why I've created this channel in the first place, because I want this to be a place where I can express myself freely and, exercise this creative muscle that is my voice. And I know if I'm rushed, this voice is going to crack. And filming myself and uploading videos on YouTube is the most vulnerable and naked I ever felt in my life. It's both scary, but it's also incredibly liberating. And that's my goal. I want to work on my voice and not be afraid to post on here, like videos like this one. And we also been conditioned to think that we need to post every day, twice a day on all the channels. And you need to be consistent to make sure you get some good momentum and get some good traction on your posts. But when I look at it, growing quickly is not really my goal here. So why am I feeling rushed? I'm happy to grow slowly if that's keeping me safe from burnout. I'm not here to build an AI-generated fast food channel. I'm here to build some roots they're gonna be strong, and that'll take some time, to harvest those fruits. But in the end, it's gonna be fresh as fuck. So all I have to do now is to tell patience to lock up urgency into a room and swallow the key. Thanks for hearing me out, and thank you for your patience. If you haven't watched my first video, go watch it on my channel here. And make sure to sign up to my newsletter if you don't want to miss out on anything. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Peace.